Hey guys, I hope you're well. My name is Samila, SamilaBB.com, and today I am going to teach you guys how to create an opt-in form using Bloom, right? So I've already done step one. My step one was to integrate my email to my WordPress, and I used Aweber. I integrated Aweber to my WordPress. So if you haven't watched my first video, I really do suggest that you do go onto my YouTube channel. So do head over to my YouTube channel and watch the first step, which is to integrate an email account to WordPress. So this is step two that I will be teaching you guys today. I need to go onto my dashboard. I'm not really sure what's happened here, but these symbols have appeared instead of the writing. So it's a little tricky for me to understand what's happening. Going to go on to Bloom. Right, so the first step that you need to do is obviously include the email account. So I'm not going to go through all this again because I've already done this in my first video. Right, so go on to email account and include, integrate your account to your WordPress. So that's step one that you need to take. I'm going to go back and I'm going to create my opt-in form. I'm going to go on to widget. And I'm calling my opt-in form, call it widget. It's Aweber. Again. That's the list that I have. Then next. Now we can choose different templates and then we can customize any one that we choose. There's so many different ones and they're all beautiful. So this is a tough decision to make, and I'm just going to randomly pick any. Okay, which should we pick? Let's just pick that purple one. I like purple, is my favorite color. Next. Now this is the part, this is the fun bit. So you will be designing your opt-in form here. And as you're designing, you can preview and see what's happening. So I'm going to change the opt-in title. It says subscribe to our newsletter. For mine, my form is for a free coaching call. It's a free giveaway. You can change the font. And if you want to, you can leave the box empty. That's entirely up to you. Now this is the image settings. So the image orientation, whether you want to have the image above the text or below the text, that's entirely up to you. That's your decision. But I do prefer the image above the text. Next, what I'm going to do is include an image. So I'm going to upload an image. I think I already have my image in my media library. Yes, I have already uploaded my image that I want. But if you haven't uploaded your image, it's quite simple to upload an image. Just click on upload files and you can select a file and it will upload it to your WordPress. So I'm going to choose this image here and set it as an opt-in image. And let's preview, let's see what it looks like. Right, this is what it currently looks like. I am going to change things around. Obviously, this is not how I want it to look like. We will be customizing it. Okay, we can do an image loading animation. There's just so many different animations here. Let's just choose bounce. preview it. Oh, that looks good. Okay, we'll keep that one. You can choose any animation. Then it's hide image on a mobile, right? Now on a mobile device, what happens is if your image is really big, you won't be able to see the text below, so people won't be able to see the subscribe button. So if you can hide the image, so the image comes quite small, and then people are able to see the subscribe button, right? So this often happens on mobiles, right? So you can do that. You can click on that box, but I'm not going to do anything with that at the moment. Currently my background is purple, but I do like purple, but I don't think the blue looks too good with the purple. So I'm going to change that to yellow. Let's see what it looks like with yellow. I think that looks more attractive and eye-catching. I'm going to leave it to yellow. Again, I can change the header font, the body font, the text color, the corner style. What is the corner style? Rounded corners. Let's see. Rounded corners will look quite cool. As you can see, the corners have become more rounded. Quite like that. The border orientation. Let's see the borders. Let's go for full border. You can choose the color for the border. Let's go for blue. That looks quite good. Okay, we'll leave that, and we can go for these stripy borders. Let's see what that looks like. That looks like an envelope. Oh wow, I like that one. Very cool. Right. Then form setup. I'm going to go on display name here, so we know what the people who are opting into our list, their names are, right? So that's really important to do that. So name, email, and subscribe. Brilliant. And I can change the background color, the button color. Yeah, we'll change the button color to this is a tough decision to make, to be honest. Should we go for red? I think I'm gonna have a rainbow. Rainbow of colors. That looks quite good. It's really fun to create these forms, to be honest. And then you can insert your footer text. I'm not going to bother with that. And a success message. So once people have opted into your list, you have they receive a message saying, you know, you've successfully subscribed. So I'm just going to leave that. And then if you want to be more creative, you can include your custom CSS code. But I'm going to leave that. I'm going to save and exit. Right, that's done. Next, I'm going to go to widgets. So what you need to do is go into plugins. It's very difficult because the writing's disappeared for some reason. So plugins. What's happened here? No, sorry, it wasn't plugins. It was appearance and widgets. We're on the wrong. Right. So I need to drag the bloom to where the sidebar is. I'm going to drag that above the easy Facebook sidebar, right? And then go on the arrow, subscribe, select opt-in, and click on widget and save. Right, that's done. Now I'm going to go onto my website and show you what the widget looks like on my website. So it's blog. And as you can see, the subscribe, it's come up here. Oh goodness, I'm not really happy with the writing. It's not come up right. So I'm going to edit that later on. So this is just a demonstration, but I will be editing that. So this is what it looks like, my site on my sidebar. A widget. Doesn't look bad, to be honest. It's quite attractive. Right, so that's how you create a widget using Bloom. Nice and easy.